wonderful viewers, and welcome back to another transformative episode on Decor Puzzle 2.0. Today, we have embarked on a delightful mission to revamp, reorganize, and rejuvenate a bedroom space that calls for a little sprinkle of magic and a dash of creativity. Settle in as we unfold this exciting bedroom makeover journey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's dive right in. Every makeover begins with a vision, a canvas of imagination that encapsulates both functionality and aesthetic harmony. For this bedroom makeover, we envision a sanctuary of calmness, seamlessly merging contemporary finesse with timeless elegance. We've spent hours curating a perfect blend of colors, textures, and patterns that will morph this bedroom into a haven of tranquility and style. But before we roll up our sleeves, it's crucial to chalk out a meticulous plan, sketching and earmarking every nook and cranny to facilitate a seamless transformation journey. Stick with us as we unveil each step of this meticulous plan. The first step towards breathing new life into this room is decluttering. As we wade through the existing setup, we segregate items that no longer serve a purpose, creating space for new energies and fresh perspectives. We are firm believers that less is more, and a minimalist approach can truly unlock the beauty hidden beneath the clutter. Watch as we methodically clear out the space, making room for transformation and setting the stage for a fresh, new beginning. With the room now resembling a blank canvas, it's time to let our creative juices flow unabated. We visualize the flow, the color scheme, and the arrangement of furniture to create a harmonious yet functional space. We sketch a layout that marries convenience with sophistication, making sure that the room doesn't just look beautiful, but also caters to the daily needs of its inhabitants. Let's roll up our sleeves and start painting our canvas with shades of imagination and creativity. Choosing the right color palette is like setting the mood for the room. Today, we are gravitating towards a palette that emanates tranquility, blending neutral tones with pops of serene blues and greens. Watch as we artfully blend these colors onto the walls, creating a symphony of hues that resonate with calmness and peace. The color transition will be a sight to behold, an enchanting dance of brushes and rollers harmoniously weaving a tapestry of colors that sets the backdrop for our masterpiece. Now comes the exhilarating part, bringing in furniture that epitomizes comfort and style. Each piece has been handpicked, keeping in mind the overarching theme of serenity and modern elegance. Watch as we position each furniture piece strategically, creating a seamless flow that encourages movement and interaction within the space. From a cozy bed to a quaint reading nook, every element has been designed to foster comfort and relaxation. No makeover is complete without the inclusion of soft textiles and tasteful accessories. We've sourced a collection of textiles that is comfort and luxury, enhancing the room's cozy and welcoming ambience. Watch as we dress the room with beautiful drapes, plush cushions, and soft rugs that add layers of texture and depth to the space. The accessories, ranging from elegant lamps to artistic paintings, will add a finishing touch, bringing the room to life with hints of personality and charm. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here, the grand reveal. Step back and witness the stunning transformation as we unveil a bedroom that is now a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and modern sophistication. From a cluttered space to a serene sanctuary, the journey has been truly remarkable, showcasing the magic that unfolds when creativity meets passion. As we walk through the newly transformed space, we hope you find inspiration and ideas for your own bedroom makeover. We've reached the end of this transformative journey, and we couldn't be happier with the outcome. A bedroom that beckons with warmth, invites relaxation, and fosters a harmonious blend of style and comfort. Thank you for being a part of this makeover journey with us at Decor Puzzle 2.0. If you found inspiration in this transformation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting makeovers coming your way. Remember, your space is a reflection of your personality, so don't shy away from adding a touch of you in your decor. Until next time, happy decorating.